Do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not cause the earth to swallow you, and suddenly it would sway? Or do you feel secure that he who holds authority in the heaven would not send against you a storm of stones? Then you would know how severe was my warning, and already had those before them denied, and how terrible was my reproach. Do they not see the birds above them with wings outspread and sometimes folded in? None holds them aloft except the Most Merciful. Indeed, he is of all things seeing.